Welcome to the chenille class. Today we're going to be looking at weaving a chenille scarf, so we'll get started and let's just go through the things that we need here to get started. So I have my 20-inch loom. You'll need a minimum of 15-inch loom. You'll need your warping pegs. A single peg will work, but if you have a multiple peg, that would be wonderful. You'll need clamps to clamp your pegs. I use these wonderful squeezy clamps. They clamp really well and they don't tend to pull off. You'll need your carpenter's tape measure. You'll need a flexible tape measure, a pair of scissors, a threading hook, and of course your chenille. So this is Maurice Broussard, 1450 yards per pound. And because we're doing a log cabin, you're going to want to make sure you have a super high contrast. So to decide if your contrast is high enough, you can actually take a picture, turn it to black and white, and you should see a high contrast between the shades of gray. The final thing that you'll need is your 12.5 dent reed. And if you're using a shaft, your 12 dent reed will work as well. So that's everything that you need to get started warping. And I'll keep doing some videos and we'll go through each step of the process together.